Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So today is going to be a review video, and believe me, I have spoken about a lot of things on my channel. But today what I'm going to review is going to be the first time for this category on my channel. But it is a very vital part of my beauty regime because I strongly believe that smile, a beautiful dazzling smile, is a must have accessory, or it's something that makes or breaks someone's personality. A beautiful dazzling smile is the first impression. Therefore, I do everything in my power to keep my smile dazzling. I try a lot of home remedies. Try a lot of DIYs, especially when it comes to teeth whitening. So this week I came across a video of Colgate Visible White with Kiara Advani, where she spoke about the toothpaste and how it gave her visibly whiter teeth in just 1 week. That's when I decided to give the toothpaste a shot. This was my first time trying any teeth whitening toothpaste. I had never tried any such product in the past. I was not sure of the results, and the claims made by the brand made me really interested and intrigued about the product. So I bought it off Amazon and have been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I love the change it has brought to my smile. So I use it twice daily and brush my teeth for minimum 2 minutes. So the formula is safe for my enamel, and it is the most effective technique I have ever tried. I'll be very honest. My teeth are actually one shade whiter than earlier. I did not have extremely yellow or pale or stained teeth. I'm going to insert a picture of my teeth 2 weeks before when I started using the toothpaste, and the current picture of my current teeth. You can see the difference in before and after. The difference is not drastic because, like I mentioned, I did not have stained or yellow teeth, but it is pretty much visible to me. And when I look into the mirror, I can actually see much brighter or much shinier, whiter looking teeth. Now, look at the pack. I think the pack looks very nice and very eye-catching, and I tried to look almost like the pack today. That's why I have red lipstick on, a red pullover on. I think I'm still in the Christmas feel. But yeah, red is my one of my favorite shades. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know. So I'm going to read off the pack what's mentioned. So Colgate Visible White gives you one shade whiter teeth in 1 week, and this is in sparkling mint flavor. On the pack it's mentioned that Colgate Visible White toothpaste has whitening accelerators. They safely exfoliate stains, polishes teeth surface, fights cavities, protects enamel, freshens breath. I agree with fresh breath as well because it actually makes my breath really fresh. It keeps it fresh for a really long time. And it doesn't really make your teeth sensitive if you are wondering about it, because I have been using it for 2 weeks now, and I drink tea. I drink tea a lot, so it doesn't make your teeth sensitive to hot or cold uh, food items or hot or cold drinks, if you are wondering. So I think it is really important that you feel confident with your smile, and sometimes there are days when I don't even feel like dressing up, but I know that my smile is there and I feel confident. So if you guys are interested, do not forget to check out the link in the description box, because there is no harm actually in trying the product out. This is priced at rupees 99 only, and you are getting 100 grams of product. So I think this can be a really good idea if you are looking for whiter teeth at the comfort of your home. So if you also want your dazzling smile to make everything look perfect, then do not forget to give it a try. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.